Dear children, how are you all? I hope you're doing well. Today, I brought a very sweet and moral story for you. This story is about two kids who exchanged gifts during the holy month of Ramadan. So, let's begin the story. It was the month of Ramadan, and two kids, Ahmed and Fatima, were sitting in their home's courtyard. Both had been fasting and were now waiting for iftar. Suddenly, Ahmed said to Fatima, "Fatima, I have prepared a small gift for you." Fatima asked curiously, "What is it?" Ahmed took out a beautifully colored box from behind him and handed it to Fatima. When she opened it, her eyes lit up. Inside was a small handmade toy that Ahmed had made himself. Fatima smiled and said, "This is so cute." "Thank you, Ahmed." Then she got up and brought a small packet from her room. "I also made something for you." Ahmed opened the packet and found a beautiful handmade card inside. It read, "Happy Ramadan and Eid Mubarak." Both kids smiled with joy. Ahmed said, "This card is so beautiful, Fatima. Thank you so much." Ahmed and Fatima hugged each other and learned the lesson of love and brotherhood during the holy month of Ramadan. Dear children, did you like this story? If yes, please subscribe to our channel and watch more of our videos. We bring new stories and fun cartoons every week. Remember, giving gifts increases love. Thank you.